All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of each street and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. International and national news is brought to you by Ascom from VIII TOPAZ. International news. Hamas attack on Israel prompted South Korea to consider pausing military arrangement with North. Dozen injured, including baby with Russian attack on Ukraine. National news. Heavy rainfall in Bangalore, yellow alert on October level. Telangana Electrons 2023 schedule comes as disappointment as government cannot announce policy decision now. Thank you. Have a short day.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Narsimha of VIII TOPAZ. State news. RFF Chief Bhagwat took undertake 3 days tour for Jammu and Kashmir from Friday. Hyderabad man ends its life over financial issues at Malakpet. Sports news. Shubman Gill said to miss Pakistan fixture selectors to take call on World Cup spot. Mitchell Sanders and Rachin Ravindra gave New Zealand all-round strength. Thank you.
The report is brought to you by Narsimha Prasad of VIII TOPAZ. Minimum temperature 36 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. Thank you. To the thought for the day is brought by Ramcharan from VIII TOPAZ. Thought. Education is not preparation for life. Education is the itself. I repeat again. Education is not preparation for life. Education itself. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Vishnu from VIII TOPAZ. Today's word, preparation, meaning getting something ready. I repeat it again. Preparation, getting something ready. Friends, please spell after me. Preparation. 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 Thank you.
Today's amazing facts is brought to you by Karan from VIII TOPAZ. Fact number 1. Lights take almost 8 minutes to produce from the sun to earth. Fact number 2. There is no flavor in food without saliva. Thank you.
Morning everyone.
Happy morning everyone. Today's GK question is brought to you by Abdul Nafe from grade 8 Topaz. Question for grade 6. The second tallest mountain in the world. I repeat my question. The second tallest mountain in the world. You did not pick the right answer. The answer is Mountain Godwin Austen. Question for grade 7. The second largest country in the world. I repeat my question. The second largest country in the world. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer. The answer is Canada. Question for grade 8. The acid which is used as food preservative. Yes, you picked the right answer. The answer is vinegar. Question for grade 9. The scientific study of rock is called. I repeat my question. The scientific study of rock is called. You did not pick the right answer. The answer is petrology. Open question for all. The scientific study of mineral in rocks. I repeat my question. The scientific study of minerals in rocks. No, you did not pick the right answer. The answer is mineralogy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Information is brought to you by G. Manshankar of VIII TOPAZ. Social information. Social science are considered as soft science. The term sociology was coined by Auguste Comte. David Emile Durkheim is considered as the father of social science. Thank you. Have a good day.
Onions are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its history and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity around life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's international news is brought to you by Attica of Grade III Hazel. International news. Hamas attack on Israel prompts South Korea to consider passing military agreement with North Korea. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Today national news is brought to you by Shrestha from Grade III Hazel. National news. Congress stated as people announcement mark well of BJP in 5 states: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chandigarh, Telangana and Mizoram. Thank you. My name is Ritika of Grade III Hazel. Happy morning to all. Today's Ace News and Post News is brought to you by Ritika of Grade III Hazel. Ace News. Telangana elections 2023 include counts as government cannot announce decision now. Post News. Cricket said to be included in the 2028 Los Angeles Olympics. Thank you. Next, my friend will continue. My name is Rishita of Grade III Hazel. Happy morning, everyone. Today weather report is brought to you by Rishita of Grade III Hazel. Weather report. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Next, my friend will continue. Thought brought to you by Planet of Grade III Hazel. Thought. Do what is right, not what is easy. I repeat my thought. Do what is right, not what is easy. Thank you. Happy morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Ekshita of Grade III Hazel. Today's word. Invention, meaning, creative ability. Friends, please follow after me. Invention. I-N-V-E-N T-I-O-N Invention. Thank you. And my friend, wish you all a pleasant morning. This morning will bring you the amazing facts and few in the inventions that you will be definitely proud of. Aishwarya, do you know who invented USB in the universal serial bus to the world? Yes, it was invented by an Indian American computer architect Ajay V. Bhatt. Do you know who invented value of pi? Not sure. Is it by Aryabhatta? Yes, it was first introduced by the 800 BC, later improved by him. Okay, can you tell me who invented Ayurveda? Yes, it was by Chakra, who was also known as father of medicine. Let's ask the audience. Do you know who invented zero to the world? Do you know who invented zero to the world? Yes, you are right. It is Dr. Aryabhatta. The shampoo, buttons, board games like chess, snakes and ladders, etc. were all invented in India. No, okay, I shall. Thank you. Mita and my friend Malika brings you today GK questions. Since we are going to celebrate Dasara, let us talk about festival. How will you know our culture? Question for grade 1. Which festival is known as Festival of Light? Diwali! Diwali! Yes, your answer is right. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 2. Which festival is known as Festival of Color? Holi! Yes, your answer is right. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 3. On which day the Christmas is celebrated? 25th December. Yes, your answer is right. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. The harvest festival of Kerala. Onam. No, your answer is wrong. Yes, your answer is right. The answer is on. Onam. Question for grade 9. The harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. I repeat. Yes, your answer is right. And the answer is Pongal. Open question. The harvest festival of Punjabi. Yes, your answer is right. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.